Pair number 1. Hello, Lesa Almadal Cuera and Jason Detada Almadal. Dana Barsaga Almoguera and Matt Escamilla. And Reno de Felix Almonte. Parabo No Peligro and Joaquim Arthur Vasquez Villamor. Pair number 5, we have J.K. Robles Dilaping and J.Chris Barsaga Orana. Espartaco. Thank you once again to our stunning candidates for their elegance and grace. long gown and formal wear competition. And as we proceed to the next segment of the competition, we begin with the preliminary interview round, or the Q&A. This is where our candidates will demonstrate their intelligence, voice, and eloquence as they answer questions from our esteemed Board of Judges. Please speak your number. Your judge is judge number 7, the chairman of the Board of Judges, Attorney Jesus Jesse Granado. Your question, sir.
Hi, candidate number 1. How are you?
I'm fine.
So, I have few questions. Are you comfortable being asked in English, in Filipino, or in Masbateño?
I prefer Tagalog.
Tagalog? Okay. So, gawin natin ito sa Tagalog. Nakapunta ka na ba ng isang museo?
Not yet.
Not yet. So, ang museo ay lalagyan ito ng mga bagay para sa heritage at kultura ng isang probinsya, ng isang lalawigan, probinsya the same, or town. Ngayon, magkakaroon ng museo ang ikaw. Gusto ko lang malaman ang pananaw mo, gaano kahalaga ang isang museo, isang establishment. Lalagyan ito ng mga artifacts, mga bagay na magpapaalala sa mga nangyari na. Ano sa palagay mo ang importansya ng pagkakaroon ng museo sa isang lugar?
Salamat po sa magandang katanungan. Ang masasabi ko po sa pagkakaroon ng isang museo sa Ticao is maaalala po ang history or ang nakaraan, nakalipas, ng mga nangyari sa loob ng ating isla. Maaalala po natin ang ating mga ninuno, ating mga ninuno na dahilan kung bakit nandito tayo ngayon. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 1. Now let's call it judge number 4. Judge number 4 is Madam Babylin A. Almoite. Your question, Madam.
Hi, contestant number 2.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Are you nervous?
Not really.
Okay. Here's your question. Nowadays, many young people face bullying in various forms. What would you do to combat bullying and promote kindness and acceptance among your peers?
As someone who continuously believe or embody kindness, compassion, and empathy, I believe that instilling these values, I know that I can contribute to the betterment of the youth while also contributing that we can encourage everyone to stop bullying, and in that sense, we could empower each and every one of us in a way that I could serve as a powerful example for those around me. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 2. Now let's call on candidate number 3, Jessa Cantela Manam. She takes judge number 3, Miss Maria Lenny A. Arcenas. Your question, ma'am.
Maayong na gabi. Hello po, maayong na gabi. Okay. Recently, there were 2 suicide cases noted among the youth in our community. What is your call to your fellow youth in the issue of suicide or facing adversities and challenges of life?
Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So recently, we have a few issues about the suicide, and it is really sad to hear that they did it in their young age. It is very unacceptable because for the past years, we all know that possibilities of uncertain things to happen. And that case is really possible because because of the lack of discipline and also the lack of guidance by their parents. You know, mental health is very important nowadays. We all know that this younger generation has so many problems or have so many baggages in their bag, and I think the most important matter that we should consider in this situation is to have a parent talk or talk to your parents, co-workers, family, friends to check up on her, because checking up on someone, mental health is free. You don't have to spend anything. And I think that would solve this present issue. That would be all.
Thank you, candidate number 3. Alright, she picked judge number 6. Ma'am Joy Marie Cortez El Gutierrez. Your question, ma'am.
Good evening. You look stunning. Thank you. Okay, so my question for you is, as a daughter of our dear town, San Jacinto, what do you think is the quality that you possess that would showcase the character of people living in our town?
For me, I am one of the altar servers in our town, and as an altar server, I would love that people here would be close to God, so that they would know how to that their life would be in a great position, because being close to God is the way for us to live a faithful and peaceful life. So I want to repeat the question. Pardon.
As a daughter of our dear town, San Jacinto, what do you think is the quality that you possess that would showcase the character of people here?
It was kindness and helpful, because being
Pick your number. She picked her number. Lucky number 5. Your judge is Dr. Marofi M. Bahar. Your question, Dr.
Hello. Hello, ma'am. Good evening. Okay, contestant number 5. Here's your question. If you could be anybody else, dead or alive, who would you be and why?
Well, you know what, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you for that wonderful question, ma'am. If I am given a chance to be somebody else, I will choose to be myself, because being yourself is always matter, and I firmly believe that I am a passionate, I have courage and determination. Standing in front of you is a woman of principles, exuding beauty with substance. Thank you so much.
Thank you, candidate number 5, Zinky Robles Sidatin. Now let's proceed with our next candidate, candidate number 6. She picked judge number 2, Mr. Iko M. Tan Jr. Your question, sir.
Okay, good evening. I know it's really nerve-wracking, medyo nakaka-nervous talaga. My daughter is Miss Philippine Earth 2022, and I will throw the question what they asked her during the pageant. Ba't ninervyos ka yata? Okay, the question is very simple. It's all about the environment. If you will win this competition and you will be asked by the local government to participate in any of the environmental project dito sa atin sa San Jacinto, anong particular project ang pipiliin mo and why?
Thank that wonderful question. Outside this prestigious event, I am a student myself. As much as possible, I join symposiums and seminars regarding green movement and educating the general public in saving the environment. Now, as I join this pageant, I will gain a wider range of reach and influence, giving me an advantage to advocate green movement campaigns through social networking sites and symposiums, cleanup drive, and tree planting events that is open to all, regardless of age, gender, and culture. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6. Now let's start last candidate number 7, Angelique Panya Dilao. Alright, it's gonna have the last number, of course, for first judge, SB Norman B. Mitoro. Your question, sir.
Hi, good evening. Candidate number 7, ito po ang tanong mo. Sa gitna ng mga hamon na kinakaharap ng mga Pilipino ngayon, tulad ng pagkakaroon ng malaking agwat sa ekonomiya at pagkasira ng kalikasan, paano mo gagamitin ang iyong plataforma bilang kalahok na patimpalang ng kagandahan upang itaguyod ang mga solusyon na pangmatagalan at itaas ang mga nasa laylayan ng lipunan?
Thank you for the wonderful question. As an advocate, I want to advocate it to the youth because youth is the hope of tomorrow, just like what Jose Rizal said. If we start with the youth, it can grow more until its future. Because I believe that if we start with the youth and grow the advocacy, we will enrich its culture and tourism of this hometown. Not only our hometown, but also the world. Because youth is the hope, is the future of tomorrow. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7. And of course, please give our ladies a round of applause. They did a great job in answering those questions. Effect judge number 4, Madam Maybelline A. Almoite. Your question, ma'am.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Here's your question. Are you active in social media?
Yes.
Okay. What it is in social media that you love most and why?
Thank you for that question. I believe the most that I love in social media is to those status who give us positivity. Ladies and gentlemen, I am standing here in front of you. In the starting of this project, I constantly called out by being too small, by being too that, by being too this. But I believe in myself. So ladies and gentlemen, don't let any words distract you. Don't let other words distract you from being. Be you, be confident. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate. Okay, he picks judge number 3, Miss Marilyn A. Arcenas. Your question, ma'am.
Maayong gabi.
Good evening.
Kailan edad mo po?
21.
Opo. Nakaboto ka na, no? Okay. So, I hope you are aware of our political situation recently. So, my question is, recently, two major opposing local political leaders of our province decided to merge as one entity for the upcoming elections. What is your stand or opinion of the alliance of two major political families in our province? Is it a positive or negative move, and why?
I believe this is a very great opportunity for the town. Set aside all the inconveniences from families, all the conflicts. Let's set that aside and focus on the town and the people. Because I believe the people, the children or the young adults are the future of our town, along with our former fallen hero, Jose Rizal. He believed that the children are the future of our town, Kabataan ng Pag-asa ng Bayan, and I believe that also. So yes, this will be a great opportunity for the town to boost our economy. Major roads and infrastructures are being built as we speak. Tomorrow. Because I believe that concludes my answer. I hope you all are satisfied.
Thank you so much, Matt. Candidate number 2. Now let's move forward with our next candidate. He picks judge number 6, Ma'am Joy Marie Cortez Gutierrez. Your question then.
Good evening.
Good evening po.
Okay, so my question is, what is the meaning of the title Mr. San Jacinto for you?
Thank you so much, ma'am, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. San Jacinto is not indicates how masculine you are or how beautiful you outside, but also how you respect others and how you treat others with good morals. And I think that is the real meaning of the title as Mr. San Jacinto. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Now let's call on candidate number 4. He picks judge number 2, Mr. Iko M. Tan Jr. Your question, sir.
Hello, good evening. Okay, they said that tourism is one of the key factors ng Pilipinas. If you were to meet a tourist from other country and ask you why they should visit San Jacinto, anong sasabihin mo sa kanila?
Ang masasabi ko lang po is, ang San Jacinto po, saan sa pinakamatong na tourist spot sa Pilipinas. Ang masasabi ko pa is, dapat yung tayo visit ininatong lugar. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 4. Let's move. He picked judge number 5, Dr. Marofi M. Bahar. Your question for Dr.
Hello, contestant number 5.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Okay, so here's your question. How do you think tourism can be used to promote cultural heritage and support local communities?
As a local tour guide myself, I worked with the first ever Australian visitation here in San Jacinto last November 2023. And one factor that we can actually share to these tourists is actually not just the culture of San Jacinto, but also the warmth of the people. Ever since they set off the boat, they have been receiving the warm smile of the people. And also, by using the advancement of technology that we have, we can promote tourism into other world, and we can encourage not just locals, but foreigners to visit San Jacinto. Indeed, let us showcase San Jacinto, that it is the soul and joy of Ticao, a place, a home, where people feel loved, valued, accepted, and celebrated. Thank you very much, and good evening.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. He picked judge number 7, our chairman of the Board of Judges, Attorney Jessie Granado.
Mabuhay, candidate number 6. So, how are you in preliminaries? Can you rate 1 to 10? 10 is the highest, 1 is the lowest for your English communication? 4. Then for Filipino, Same scale. 1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest. 10. So, I would like to assume that gusto mong tanungin sa Pilipino. Kaya lang yung tanong ko, hindi ko lamang Tagalog. Aware ka sa AI, Artificial Intelligence? Ano ba Tagalog ng AI? Artificial Intelligence is about like robots. Pag sinabi mo na bigyan ka ng a particular food, bibigay ang robot. Another one would be, ano ba bang example ng artificial intelligence? Sa school, pag mag-type ka, tapos sasabihin ng teacher mo, give me an essay about San Jacinto. Pag nag-type ka doon ng what is San Jacinto, magbibigay na siya ng idea, and that's AI. So, may idea ka na ba about AI or... Ang pinakamagandang example na alam mo would be robots. So, didiktahan mo siya. Okay? The question is, can AI affect beauty pageants like this? Yes. Maapektuhan ba ng artificial intelligence ang mga patimpalak na katulad ng ganito?
Opo, kasi mas mapapadali nito ang mga pagpapakilala sa atin at mga bagay na mas mapapadali ng mga AI sa atin. Salamat.
Thank you, candidate number 6. Now let's call on your question, sir.
Maayong gabi, contestant number 7.
Maayong po na gabi.
Amo po inianay mo, tanong. Ano ang konkretong plataforma na maaari mong gawin sa ating komunidad dito sa San Jacinto upang mapanatili ang kagandahan ng ating kalikasan at protektahan ang ating kalikasan mula sa panganib ng climate change at iba pang environmental challenges?
Kung meron man ako gustong gawin sa ating mahal na munisipyo, ito ay pagkakaroon ng symposium kung saan we will educate every people and we will teach them how to be disciplined, dahil naniniwala ko na kapag ang lahat ng tao ay may disiplina, lahat ng bagay ay ating masusunod. Hindi lamang ang mga sigalot, hindi lamang isang partikular na problema. Dahil lahat ng sakuna, lahat ng problema, lahat yan ay nag-uugat sa mga tao. Polusyon, maging sa climate change, may kasalanan ng bawat tao. Kaya naniniwala ko, ang pinaka-epektong paraan para masolusyonan ang inyong nabanggit na problema is to educate every people and to teach them how to be disciplined. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 7. Now, and he picked judge number 6, Ma'am Joy Marie Cortez Gutierrez. The final question of the night for the interview round.
Good evening.
Good evening po.
Okay, so given the numerous concerns that surround the use of social media today, what advice can you give to the younger generation about this matter?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. There are more good things outside the social media. We can create or we can learn something outside the social media. So, if you are in the social media right now, please go out in there and learn something. Learn new abilities, go hiking, go jogging, be physically fit, and in that order, you can leave social media. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7. Now that ends the interview round for Mr. and Ms. Sana. Candidate number... number 8, Sylvan Almazel. To help SB Norman Mitoro with presenting the awards, let's call on Miss Maria Lenny A. Arcenas for the award. Mr. Nico F. Tan Jr. and Madam Babylin A. Almoite to present the award for Best in Streetwear 2024 of Mr. and Miss San Jacinto. Each of them will be receiving 1,000 pesos each in cash. And the Best in Streetwear for female category, we have candidate number number 6, Adrian Legaspi Alminiana. For our male category, Best in Streetwear is candidate number. It's you. Again, candidate number 8, Adrian Alminiana. The Best in Swimwear Award. This award is again to be presented by SB Norman B. Meteoro and Madam Joy Marie Cortez Gutierrez. Category, we have candidate number. It's here, candidate number 2. Bernadette Adalio Barzada Albuquera. And for our male category, Best in Swimwear is it's you, candidate number 8, Sullivan Albuquera. The Best in Formal Wear for female category is candidate number. It's candidate number 4, Chantal Espada Lomelio. And for our main category, for Best in Formal Wear, you are candidate number. You are of minor awards, your awards. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. Sabi nga sa American Idol, dim the lights. And drum roll please. Here is your top 3 for Mr. and Miss San Jacinto female category. This is in random order. Alright? You are part of the top 3. Candidate number. Well, let's start with the male category first. Okay. So for Mr. San Jacinto 2024, again, this is for male category. You are part of the top 3. Candidate number. Candidate number 2. Matthew Nike or Matt Nike. You are part of the top 3. Candidate number. Of course, you are part of it. Candidate number 8. Serpent Almaden. And the last spot is yours. Candidate number. Candidate number 7. Rome Pelaez Almoite. Let's proceed to our female category for Mr. and Miss San Jacinto 2024. Again, this is in random order. Candidate number. Candidate number 6. Adrian Legaspi Alminiana. You can now take the second spot. Candidate number. This one is yours. Candidate number 2. Candidate Natalia Rosana Almoguera. We're down to our last spot for the top 3. And that is yours, candidate number. I can't hear you. Candidate number? It's your candidate number 4. So is Carlos Roberto. Let's give a big round of applause to these outstanding individuals for their remarkable achievements. And to all our candidates, thank you for your hard work and dedication. You have all made this pageant truly memorable. Please stay on the stage as we give you the consolation prizes for our candidates who are not luckily been called for the top 3. And once again, congratulations for making it this far. And to our top 3 candidates, your outstanding performances have earned you a well-deserved spot in the final round of our pageant. Now it's time for the final challenge, the final question and answer round. This is where our top 3 candidates will showcase their intellect, grace, and charisma.
If you will be crowned as Mr. San Jacinto, how can you promote the tourism slogan, Ikaw Asenso San Jacinto?
I'll try my best to answer po. If you would give me a moment, I would be grateful. But can you repeat the question?
No problem. Todo, sorry. Thanks for the correction. Good thing that you asked me to repeat the question because I said it wrongly. So the correct question is, if you will be crowned as Mr. San Jacinto, how can you promote the tourism slogan, Todo Ascenso San Jacinto?
If I will be deserving of the crown, Todo Ascenso San Jacinto, I will use this platform Please allow me a moment.
No problem.
We all know that San Jacinto is very well known for our tourist spots. Dinadagsa tayo ng mga cruise ships all over the world, and our hospitality never fails to accompany them throughout our town, San Jacinto. Now, I will use my platform. I will use this platform when I win of this opportunity. I will use this platform First thing I will do is to accompany the beautiful beaches of San Jacinto. As you said, Todo Ascenso San Jacinto. It is to boost our economy. And the way we serve the people of San Jacinto really shows us how we can serve other people as well. I mean, take a look at the people. Very happy and very engaged. This is what we want, and this is what I want. This is what we all want.
Thank you.
And I believe we can share them the same hospitality to the foreigners of nadadagsa dito sa San Jacinto. And that would conclude my answer. Thank you.
Thank you, Max Panic. You will be crowned as the Mr. San Jacinto. How can you promote the tourism slogan, Todo Ascenso San Jacinto?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. With the use of modern technology such as social media or the internet, I can promote the Todo Ascenso San Jacinto through posting our culture, our history, our beautiful sceneries, landscapes, not just in the seas, but also to cherish or blossom here in San Jacinto. And one thing that I can use is my voice as an inspiration, as a courage, as an instrument that can give or that can give to other locals, not here in San Jacinto, or foreigners to come here in San Jacinto. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Jordan. Yeah, you can go. Proceed to the backstage. You will be crowned as Mr. San Jacinto. How can you promote the tourism slogan, Todo Ascenso San Jacinto?
If I will win the crown and be Mr. San Jacinto, I will promote the slogan Ascenso San Jacinto through showing everybody the improvement of San Jacinto and kung ano pa ang ginagawang proyekto ng ating mahal na mayor at kung ano pa ang mga plano at plataforma na kanilang gagawin para sa ikakabubuti ng bawat mamamayan at bawat tao sa San Jacinto. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Ronek Balay.
This one was decided by all the members of the Board of Judges, but the question came from Madam Maybelline Aldicha Moy. The question is, if you will be crowned as Miss San Jacinto, how can you promote the tourism slogan, Todo Ascenso San Jacinto?
Modern world where few clicks and scrolls in the World Wide Web, we can access information about places where we want to go. By utilizing Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, I will post all the positivity about San Jacinto with the caption. That caption, that's all.
Thank you so much, Adrian.
If you will be crowned as Miss San Jacinto, how can you promote the tourism slogan, Todo Ascenso San Jacinto?
Ladies and gentlemen, if we truly want to promote San Jacinto, it is important that we should start from the very foundation. As far as I can observe, our knowledge about San Jacinto is very limited. And with that, given the platform that I may have, I will use this as an opportunity to advocate for everyone, to discover more, to learn more about San Jacinto, about our cultural heritage, our history, and everything that are yet to be discovered. Because ladies and gentlemen, we cannot successfully promote something if we lack the comprehensive knowledge about it. So ladies and gentlemen, the knowledge, we can advocate for everyone to make some changes to benefit the overall community. So ladies and gentlemen, together, let us make it a reality.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. You can now go backstage and wait for the...
As the Miss San Jacinto, how can you promote the tourism slogan, Todo Ascenso San Jacinto?
Thank you for a wonderful question. I will promote the slogan, Todo Ascenso San Jacinto, by encouraging a lot of people to be here in my hometown, which is San Jacinto, and see the beauty in our hometown. How beautiful our culture is, the islands. I will promote Todo Ascenso San Jacinto by telling people how good, peaceful, and beautiful our hometown is. And I will encourage them to be here and explore our hometown and see the magandang tanawin, our culture, the soon-to-be museum, and explore. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chantel. San Jacinto 2024! Of course, we would also like to thank all of the government units headed by our Mayor, Honorable Mayor Dr. Francisco Altarejos, for making this event possible. I will be announcing first the second runner-up for our male category. The winner or the second runner-up will be receiving 10,000 pesos and to be awarded by who do you think will take home the crown tonight? Wala akong marinig. Kailangan na lang natin ng confirmation kung tama ba naging tabulators natin or tama ba yung tabulation natin. The second runner-up will be awarded by SC member Norman B. Michoro and Mr. Nico M. Tan Jr. He will receive 10,000 pesos cash. Your second runner-up for Mr. Sanacito 2024 is candidate number. It's candidate number 2. Congratulations! Yes, I will be announcing the winner of Mr. Sanacito 2024, and the candidate that will not be called will be the first runner-up. Okay? Our first runner-up will be receiving 15,000 pesos in cash, and our Mr. Sanacito will be receiving 20,000 pesos cash. And to award our Mr. Sanacito, I'd like to invite our Chairman of the Board of Judges, Attorney Granado, also Ma'am Joy Marie Cortez Gutierrez and Dr. Marofi M. Bahar to also award the first runner-up. Of Mr. Sanacito 2024 is candidate number 8. And for the first runner-up is candidate number 7 for Mr. Sanacito 2024. Congratulations. now we'll proceed to the proclamation of winners for Miss San Jacinto 2024. And we'd like to request Attorney Granado, Ma'am Joy Marie Fergus Gutierrez, and Dr. Maromi Bahari to present the awards for our Miss San Jacinto 2024 and our first runner-up. Now I'd like to request our remaining candidates to take center stage as we announce the winner.